Pack, move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3. Movers Cheap, Pleasant Hills. Local and long distance. Movers near. Me. Are you relocating to Pleasant Hills? Moving out of Pleasant Hills? Wherever life is taking you, we got you covered. 3 Men and a Truck offer moving services wherever you go. We believe in providing quality service. What makes us different from others is that you can track your belongings, that your valuables are safe. We believe punctuality and safety are essential for successful moves. Therefore, we ensure that your belongings are packed in specific containers and boxes. Are you looking for a local moving company in Pleasant Hills? 3 Men and a Truck is here for you. Our moving experts believe in providing a stress-free experience. We offer packing and unpacking of your furniture at no extra cost. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pleasant Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.